There's something special about a simple homemade meal. Hello food lovers, today I'm making mchicha, also known as terere, served with eggs and hot ugali. A simple meal that always feels comforting and satisfying. Let's get cooking. First things first, this is the pan that we'll be using. We're going to start by sauteing our onions until soft and fragrant. Now we are going to go in with our curry powder, just a little for extra flavor. Now we are going to go in with grated carrots and mix everything together. Going to go in with our Reiko seasoning and let it cook for a few minutes. Now we are going to go in with our mchicha, chopped mchicha. Going to add in salt. Now we're going to let our mchicha cook and then we'll turn the other side, just a little bit of turning until it softens, and yeah, it will be ready. And our mchicha is ready. Now, in another sufuria, I'm going to heat some oil, add my already whisked eggs. I cook them like an omelette until fully cooked. Yeah. Eggs are ready. We're going to prepare our ugali. As I always say, everyone has a way they prepare the ugali. So we're going to bring our water to boil first. Now I'm going to go in with a little prestige just because I need a touch of vanilla for extra flavor. Now we're going to add in maize flour gradually while stirring continuously. Mixing until it becomes firm and smooth, and whichever way you prefer your ugali, be it hard, be it soft. Mwisho wa siku mtu wangu, sima ni sima. Yeah. And our ugali is ready. Just like that, our mchicha, eggs and ugali are ready. Look at that. If you enjoyed this simple homemade meal, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye food lovers. See you in the next one.